Marketing, and today I want to show you how to create a Facebook banner, a cover image that can help you to drive leads, increase brand awareness, and to showcase some of your services or products. If you don't have a Canva account, it is an online graphic design tool and it's free. I recommend that you create an account and you can sign up here. Again, it's free. I'm actually going to log in and we'll get started. When you first log into Canva, it is a little overwhelming. There are a lot of tools and designs and templates and things to look at. So for us to be most effective with a Facebook banner, we're just going to pop right over to the templates area and search for Facebook covers. And there they are. And now I have all of these templates to look at. I am actually just going to pick one and then use this template. And when I get into the tool itself, you can see another tab is opened. I can get into the tool itself. I'm going to actually add a new image because I don't particularly care for that one. And I'm going to use this one from Jack and Jean. And I'm going to delete this first one. So what you want to be thinking about with your Facebook banner is what can you promote, what can you, as far as services, as far as business, what kinds of things can you use for your banner? So in this case, this apparel company is actually promoting their jeans. So I have a lot of options with this. I can click on the graphics and delete them. I can change the colors of them. I can adjust the fonts or add my own banner or logo. I can click on the text color tool and change the color of the font. I could add my own logo if I wanted to. I simply upload that into the system, add that to my advertisement or my promotion. I did that through, I simply clicked on uploads, upload an image, and there's the logo that I uploaded. I can change the picture. There's photos over here on the side. I'm going to put in some new jeans. I like this picture. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to click this one and delete it. I'm going to put this one here, make it a little bit bigger. Move it around. Jack and Jill Apparel, the only jeans you can believe in. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I got a period there. I'm also going to add some text to this. Maybe I want to add a location or a phone number or a website to buy now. Over on the left sidebar, there's a text button. There's a lot of already pre-designed formats you can leverage. Or you can simply grab a headline and add your own copy. And you can move that around, grab the corner of it. You can change the size of it by adjusting the font typeface size up here in the navigation toolbar. Anytown, USA. I don't think that's a little bit too big, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I can center it if I wanted to. And adjust the width so it's the same width as the logo. I can add a phone number, to it. Drag that over there. Whatever I needed to put on there. I could also put in anything else that I might want. Let's say if I want to add a promotional price up there in the corner. Over here in Elements, there's all kinds of things that you can choose from. Shapes, stickers, lines, illustrations, etc. I'm actually going to put a corner in here. So I'm going to put a price up in the corner. And I can rotate this image to create a 90-degree triangle. I can then resize that. And I can add text to it. Just $29.99. Drag that, put it over here in the corner. Center the text. the center? Oh, there it is. Yeah, font's just a little bit too big. I can change the color of this to help it stand out a little bit more. Just $19.99. I can also crop this picture if I wanted to. I can drag the size down. I can drag the picture over. I can add a filter to the picture if I wanted to. There's my Facebook banner. I then download it as a PNG or a JPEG. It is sized correctly already for you to add to your Facebook account. That's all you have to do. You can create it. Once you put it in Facebook, you can then, once the picture is loaded, you can add a description and a link to your website if you wanted to. Simple as that. That's all you have to do. If you have any questions, give us a ring or follow us online. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. So take a look. Also look for some other tips that we might have in the marketing space. Again, it's Becky Livingston with Penn Heel Marketing. Have a great day.